Hey, my people. Now, so Bob the cut for market. Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's me again. No, so this morning I decided to go to the market to grab the learning equipment for the children. Since they're on midterm break, they're always making noise, damaging everything. In fact, disturbing my brain. So I decided to get this instrument. Let me see if I can start coaching them at home. At least help impart something beautiful and useful into them before they go back to school. So this morning I started to grab my shower gel. First of all, I take a shower, apply my body cream, do my facial makeup, and apply a little makeup too. You have to be very, very clean and neat. That you are a mother doesn't mean that you should look dull or unkept. So always be brilliant, prayerful and vigilant. Okay, so after that, myself, I come like myself. I grab my comb my hair, and after that I grab my bag too. I was so beautiful. Myself, I know I can feel it. So after that, we proceed to the market. I went there with my son because he was the one at home that day. So we proceed to the market. When we got there, we walk everywhere looking for every book stationery just to get what we want. And after that, we walk up and down, left, right, back, front. We couldn't find any book stationery, but after everything, finally we got one and we were able to buy what we want. First of all, we started with crayon. Is one of the things I've always been buying every month for these children, and no matter where I had them, they go see them. So we got crayon. We were able to get 12 colors of crayon. We also got a whiteboard. Whiteboard was so expensive. Like this board I'm owning like this, I'm owning like this, is the man called it 18K. It's so costly. I say only whiteboard. Okay, oh, no problem. We also got a size book. We got 6 pieces of a size book, 2020 leaf. At least they will be using it for anything jotting or anything homework. I'll be using it to give them work. So after that, we also got a marker. We also got we got the fluid too, so that it not be every time I will buy single marker every day. Instead of how when the fluid finishes, I will fill it. So we also got pencils. Me for my own home, I dey buy pencil like every 2 days. Every day that I used to buy pencil. I don't know how they used to do it though. It's either they damage it or they misplaced it, or they lost it. So after that, we were able to get one carton of pencil, so that it will be very, very easy for us. And we also got a chart, a recitation chart they can be using to recite ABCD 2 times 1 2 for my daughter, and numbers for the little ones. So we got a chart, and we got everything that we needed for our coaching during this midterm break, and we proceed to go home. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to stay updated, because since the kids are on midterm break, I have a lot to show you guys based on our coaching and our learning activities. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye.